much for that idea. The freaking thing fell and now the light bulb broken. Poopy face. Alright guys, I'm back. I got a new distributor. This is it, guys. This doesn't solve the problem. I don't know what will. This is a brand new, what company? EMUSA distributor for my car. It smells amazing, like fresh distributor. This is a direct OEM replacement. This is it, my dudes. The time of reckoning is now. I'm going to install this real quick before the sun goes down. I just got off work at 6 o'clock. Almost freaking dark out, but I know I can do this, so bear with me. So I have everything put back on. The distributor is adjusted back to where it was at the stock position. And this is it. Hope I got the firing order right. Pretty sure I did. That's cylinder 4, right? Yeah. Alright, let's start it up, see what happens. Alright, this is it. Please work, please, please work. Still doing it. It's not as bad though. Why is it doing that? Oh my god. Oh wait, it went away. No, it didn't. It came back. I'm gonna see if I can adjust the timing. It freaking fixed it. I think the ECU had to like learn the timing curve or whatever, because it was trying to adjust it before when the distributor is bad. So I think it took a second for the ECU to learn. The RPMs went down. It's idling at 1,000 now. It's freaking working. Hang on, I'll show you. Yeah, it sounds way better. Way more responsive too. Watch this, ready? Let me see if I can hold it. Look at that. Stays right at the RPM. Zero hesitation. I don't even know if you can see me right now. You probably can't. I took the valve cover off so I can put some gasket sealer on like the corners so it doesn't leak. I'll let that dry overnight. It finally works. Thank the Lord. Oh, I can finally leave the engine for alone and continue with other things. Since it's dark out now, I'm going to continue this video tomorrow or sometime, I don't know, but I'm going to continue it. Oh, I'm so fucking happy. That's awesome. Alright everyone, I'm back. I think it's been like 2 days. I think it's been like 2 days. Where did I leave off? Bro, I don't even remember. There's a spider in my door jam. What am I doing? Who even knows? Who am I? I think, oh, the engine's running. Duh. That's where I left off. So the engine's running fucking amazing. Oh my god. Freaking awesome. And right now, what I was actually going to do was I'm going to swap the passenger seat and the driver's seat. I'm going to put like the brackets on the driver's seat and just like swap them, like vice versa. I think they're the same, and if they're not, I'll put them back. The reason why I'm doing that is because the driver's seat's like super worn and you like just sink in it when you're sitting there. And using the passenger seat, like I'm sitting in it right now and it's like super comfortable. Oh wow, this car's bouncy. I need suspension. Ugh, had a grape stem in my mouth. I was eating grapes. But yeah, freaking car runs awesome. So I'm gonna swap over these seats. It's getting dark, but I have a solution now. I got a construction light. So I can work in the dark now, which is great. So I'm gonna get started. Let's see what happens. So much for that idea. The freaking thing fell and now the light bulb broken. Poopy face. I am working on my car in the dark. I bought a new light bulb. It's fucking pitch black out, but my phone's going off. I'm determined. Bugs are flying all around the light. I don't care. I'm gonna work on this car. My phone keeps... Oh, I bought a tripod. I got a tripod. It was like 50 bucks. Cheapest one Best Buy had. That was actually good for what I needed it for. So, let's do this shit. I got a tripod. I'm all set. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to swap these seats. Let's go. So it's pretty late out. I put all my tools away, and I just want to thank everyone for watching. I took the seats out. That's all done. I'm going to put them back together in the next episode. The reason why I'm just stopping now is because it is getting pretty late, and you know, this car is really just coming together. My camera's crooked right now. Like I have to like tilt my head in order for it to be straight. But you know, she's getting there. Not much left. Actually, there's a lot to do, but we'll do that another day. So thank you everyone for watching, and yeah, peace out.